Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Redmi 13C, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So if you use mobile data, disable the Wi-Fi. If you're using right now Wi-Fi, disable the mobile data. Disable the Bluetooth if you don't need it. Disable NFC, nearby share, hotspot, disable cast, disable location services, and cool. So next step is to reduce the screen brightness. Reduce the screen brightness on your phone. Open settings, and then next step you can do is to open the battery, and in battery choose battery saver mode. In battery saver mode, your smartphone will live longer, but you can disable battery saver and enable super saving mode. In this mode, your device will live several days. Cool, that's it. In this mode, you can use only 3 standard applications and you can add 3 custom apps. And in this mode, your smartphone will live really longer. That's it. To exit of this mode, you need to click on the exit button, but I don't see anything. Maybe it's here. Yes, it was here. Then that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.